Hi, I'm Dr. Tina Zappilli, or Dr. Z, and I'm here to give you an overview of the Go Global summer course. I will see almost all of you at orientation sessions in the next 2 weeks. But as we said in our welcome email, if you are coming to an orientation session on July 2nd, 3rd, or 5th, we are asking you to get started on the course before you attend our Go Global session. If you can't, that's okay, you will be okay. But this tutorial is designed to give you the tools that you need to get started. So here we go. So the course is accessible in Blackboard. Blackboard is the learning management system that Stockton uses, and that is the home for most courses. Not everyone will use the Blackboard system, but we certainly do for this course. So there are two ways to access it. I strongly recommend using the shortcut of going to the Stockton main page and using the search bar and typing in BB9. If you hit enter, it brings you directly to the Blackboard space. And then you log in with your Go Portal account, which you should have done a lot today at orientation or during your orientation session. If you're watching this before orientation, then you might not have your portal information, but you probably received it beforehand. It's your primary portal username followed by a password. You can always contact this help desk. I would strongly recommend calling them or clicking here to email them if you don't know how to get your password with your assigned portal. So let's get started.